Welcome to Da Nang. You just arrived and this is the perfect arrival guide for you. I'm gonna show you right away how it looks like when you come out the immigration. So on the left side you will find some SIM cards, and on the right side gonna be the luggage bags. Okay, let's check out how much it is. So they have actually eSIM cards. I don't, but I want to film it. eSIM. You have eSIM cards as well?
Yeah, eSIM.
Okay, it's 240,000. So how much is it? 11? Okay, so if 1 month is just $1 more than. Okay, so these are the prices. And then this here is for Virtel or another one?
Just Virtel for 1 month.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay.
One.
Ah, okay. I always take Virtel. But you also can use Vinaphone.
Yeah, and here.
All right. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. So here you have also on the left side even more SIM cards. I don't know if something is better or worse. I tried it out 3 times. It usually works, but one time I had an issue after 3 weeks, then it just stopped working. But this is how it looks here. Very beautiful, right? But now we're gonna go out and check out the ATMs. Happy New Year 2025. It's just right after Tet. It's 2025. We're gonna go all the way outside, check out the ATM situation, check out where you can get some cash. This is my wife, hello. And this is the, not sure what this is. They're gonna check your luggage here again. Okay guys, we're gonna go first to the left. So here on the left side, you will find a cute little bird first with the Da Nang International Terminal sign. But here all the way on the left, we're gonna actually have the exchange booth. I would not use it, but people ask for it, so I will show you. So if you walk all the way here, you see currency exchange. You can also get some food and drinks. I would also not do that. I would just wait until you're at your destination in Da Nang. But as you can see here, dollar, pound, euro, and yen. No commission, no fee commission, and banking 24/7. Interesting. Okay. And you see here several money exchanges if you really want to change money here. As you can see here, they're all banks have money exchanges here. And they all claim no exchange fees. But I would still rather go for the other exchanges in the city or at the beach. And you have a coffee shop right at the end. But that's about it. After that, you don't have much of the airport. Okay? So here you have 8 money exchanges. They claim they're 24/7. So hopefully that is the case. I'm not sure if they have night flights here, that many, but the first one claims 24/7. But now we're gonna go and check out the ATM, which I would also not use, but if you don't have cash at all, get some cash here if you need. Because you just need a little bit to get over. Actually, you don't need any cash before you come. You can just take your Grab app, put in your Visa or Master, and pay everything online. And then you can get set when you are at the beach side or in the Antung area. Here's still beautiful New Year's decoration. But we're gonna walk all the way back where we just came out. And we're gonna go to the 3 ATMs that are standing there. And then I'm gonna show you also where you can find the taxis that charge you triple, and the Grab station where you actually pay the normal price. You can actually get InDrive or the Grab app. And those are the 3 ATMs you can have here: BIDV, C Bank, and HSBC. Okay. HSBC, you can have here too. You can use Plus, Cirrus, UnionPay, Master or Visa. Alright? But they will take fees from you around $2-3 for like a small amount. So keep that in mind. Now we're walking to the domestic airport. Okay? I will show you the domestic airport where you can get the Grab there, and then we will go back to the international, and we take the Grab all the way back to the Antung area, to the beach area. And you can also see how close those two terminals are away from each other. So this is real life walking from the exit. You can see here already the domestic airport. So this airport is very small, but very good structured. I don't like the domestic as much as I like the international, because the domestic has no nice lounge or two. They have only one Vietnamese Airlines lounge, and you can only get in if you have Vietnam Airlines business class ticket or Vietnam Airlines status. Not even if you have SkyTeam status, you cannot get in there. So if you fly domestic, there's no way to go in the lounge unless you do the two things before I said. Right guys, so here is all the parking, all the Grab drivers park there. The Grab drivers are not allowed to enter this street here, okay? This street here is solely for taxis. Or maybe even for the VinFast app. But Grab drivers are not allowed to come in here. So you always have to use the designated Grab area right in front of us here. But this here is also the domestic airport. Also very pretty and very simple. Okay, just 2 floors here. If you want a departure, you go up here, you go up there, done. If you arrival, you come up here. Very simple. Very simple. You also have Highlands Coffee, the Starbucks of Vietnam, the biggest chain here. And you would just change. Oh, look at this beautiful 2025 Dragon Bridge sign here. Very nice. Here you can get a coffee right away here. So this is the area you arrive. You arrive, you come out here, or if you want to pick someone up, it will be here. And then you will be greeted by this beautiful New Year's sculpture from the Dragon Bridge. Happy New Year 2025. Beautiful. And as you can see here, it's very simple. You cross the streets. You will have the guys, the taxis, who will charge you $10. You can take that. You can negotiate with them however you want to do that. Or you go straight to the Grab station. In the Grab station you will see with the green umbrellas there. So you just cross here. Be aware, there are people sitting around and screaming grab, grab to you. But they just want to avoid the Grab fee, which is 30%. And they don't want you to use the Grab app. If you feel comfortable doing so, go for it. I don't think it's dangerous, but you don't want to go in a new country and you don't know what's going on. So better use the Grab app, be safe. Then you don't have to explain anything. Use the Grab app. But if you are experienced and you're here more often, you can just negotiate a little bit and you're both gonna be happy, if that is your thing, you know. But this is the Grab station. You order the Grab here, very simple. If you want me to do a tutorial about that, let me know. But there you go. This is all the Grab stations. And now we're gonna go to the international Grab station and drive home. Okay guys, so this is where you arrive. And this is how you get to the Grab station. Look at this, you can just walk straight ahead and then ignore the taxi driver if you don't want to take a taxi. No, thank you. And here you're gonna be also greeted by Grab driver or people who just don't use Grab, but you're just gonna continue walking here. Here's also a sign that those people who approach you with the grab, is illegal, and you can also just report them. But don't start your day like this. Don't be a snitch. Let them have their fun. So they actually changed this whole area here. The waiting area is way prettier right now. And this is what it says now. Right at app pickup. So you're gonna go here and you're gonna wait here until the Grab driver arrives. Either way, here or here. There's also a baggage storage service over there. Probably overpriced.
What's the number?
Huh?
What's the number?
No. So this is how it looks. We're gonna get a Winfast right now. Can you keep this? So now we have actually the beautiful case of the Grab driver driving around and cannot find us, even though it is here. Huh? Okay guys, so this changed. This is the right app, but the Grab app is over there. So over the last 2 weeks they changed this up. So you have to actually go over there to the Grab app. And this is our driver here. Right behind the taxis. So if you take InDrive, you have to go there. But if you take Grab, you have to go there. And this should be us. Alright, so Grab is only here right now. Not at the ride-sharing apps anymore. So this is where we have to get in. So this is completely different than 2 weeks ago. So be aware of that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will make way more videos like this. Check out this video for more and see you in the next one.